The purpose of this recording is to show you how to use the new external tool that's been enabled for our online campus. The purpose of the external tool is to try to make it a little easier to integrate some of the third-party systems that we have that are tied into LearningStudio, such as Tegrity, Learning Objects, and Smart Thinking. To use the external tool, simply go into author mode and add a new content item the way you are used to by clicking on Course Items and then Add Items. From here, we'll choose a name. In this example, I'm going to add Tegrity to my course. Under Item Type in the drop-down, select the new External Tool option. Select the unit where you want the item to show up. I'm selecting Course Home and click Add Items. Now click on the item that you just added, in my case, Tegrity. We'll see in the page where we expect Tegrity to be a new option with another drop-down box. Click the drop-down box and select the item that you want to add. Our campus has Learning Objects, the social collaborative education tool, Tegrity for lecture capture, and Smart Thinking for online tutoring. MH Campus is not available to us at this time. I'll select Tegrity and then click Next. I'm going to choose to open it in a new frame. However, keep in mind that Tegrity tends to pop out of the frame and it does open full screen initially. So for Tegrity, either option, you're going to end up seeing the same thing. Go ahead and hit click Next. You'll see a summary and then hit Submit. Now if I switch back into course mode and click on Tegrity, my Tegrity window will open. And there you have it. That's how to add Tegrity using the new external tool. Now let's add one of the others. I'll close this window, back into author mode, Course Home, Course Items, Add Items. This time, I'm going to go ahead and add Learning Objects. So I'll select the item type. Again, will be External Tool. I'm going to add another Course Home, click Add Items. While remaining in author mode, I click on Learning Objects, and I see the drop-down again. Select the drop-down, Learning Objects, and Next. I want to open up in a frame. In other words, I want it to remain in this area when it opens. So in a frame, and Next, and Submit. Now if I go back into course mode, and click on Learning Objects, I'll see my Learning Objects Campus Pack shell opens up within the frame right in my course. Now let's add Smart Thinking. Go back to Author, Course Home, Course Items, click Add Items, give my new item a title, select External Tool. Again, I'm putting it under the Course Home and Add Items. I now click on Smart Thinking, select the drop-down, choose Smart Thinking, click Next. Again, I want it to open in a frame within my course. Click Next, and click Submit. Now, go back to course mode, Smart Thinking, and the Smart Thinking window opens up in the frame within my course. From here, if I'm a student, now I can go ahead and select for what subject I would like to have tutoring. And that's it. If you have any questions, please give someone in the Instructional Technology office a call.